Hello Year 4. Today we're going to have a look at multiplying and dividing a two-digit number by 10. So a two-digit number we normally refer to as one in the tens and ones column. So it's got a digit in the tens column and a digit in the ones column, and that is a two-digit number. Okay, so I'm going to move this again like yesterday so that you can see here. Hopefully it's clear. Remember, I've got two of these so that when I put the blocks on and it blocks the name of that column, you can still see it underneath, okay? So again, I've got hundreds, tens, ones, decimal point, tenths and hundredths, okay? So with two-digit numbers, it's really the same as one-digit numbers. We just need to remember to move both digits. So if I've got the number, let's colour code this. So if I've got the number 32 and I want to multiply 32 by 10, I'm trying to write this sideways, so if my digits are a bit squiffy, that's why. So 32 times 10, and if you remember, when we multiply by 10, we move one column to the left, which is that way. Remember, you can do this, left, right. One column that way, because the numbers, hundreds, tens and ones, it gets greater going this way. So, one column that way. So, move the tens that way one, and move the ones that way one column. So I now have, instead of 3 tens, I have 3 hundreds. Instead of 2 ones, I have 2 tens, and I have nothing in the ones column. 320. Now, if I want to do a division sentence, so I'm going to get my 32, okay, 3 tens and 2 ones, and I want to divide it by 10. So 32 divided by 10, okay, which equals, remember when we divide by 10 we're going this way because this way on the place value grid is smaller. So to divide by 10 we move everything one place to the right. So I need to move the ones one place to the right and the tens one place to the right. Okay, so my tens have turned into ones, so my 3 tens have turned into 3 ones. Then I have my decimal place, and my 2 ones have turned into 2 tenths. And there's no hundredths, but that's okay, I don't need to put a 0 there. It would be the same number. 3.2 is the same as 3.20. Okay, so I just don't need to write that 0 on. Okay, so that's how we multiply and divide a two-digit number by 10. Okay, it is exactly the same as with a one-digit number. You just need to remember to move both digits. You need to think about it a bit more. Okay, so have a go, and if you get really stuck, you can email me.